breaking updates coming in of the investigation that's also currently taking place in Punjab after the two blasts that were reported. Times Now gets you the CCTV footage of the attack on the Khasa Army camp in Amritsar. The explosion has been caught on CCTV, and as you can see in the visuals here on CCTV, the moment of the blast, the moment of impact has been captured. There are two blasts that have been reported in Punjab. One is also outside the BSF headquarters. So the state is on high alert. The exact moment of explosion has been caught on camera. Now the investigations are currently underway. There are two separate explosions that were reported in Punjab, and these were within just hours of each other, raising some serious concerns. It has triggered a lot of panic. There is a state of high security in Punjab as well. The first explosion took place outside the BSF Punjab Frontier headquarters in Jalandhar. That was around 8 p.m. yesterday. The owner of the one of the vehicles, it was a blast that took place in a scooter that was parked outside, and the owner of the vehicle has been injured. And we have CCTV footage. Here it is, a CCTV footage from the Jalandhar blast, which has surfaced. It shows the exact moment of the powerful explosion. The footage shows the vehicle parked. Let's go across to my colleague Manoj, who's joining us with the details. Manoj, this CCTV visual is going to be very, very crucial. Which area is the CCTV footage from? Take us through the details that the police officials have obtained so far.
जी जी बिल्कुल। देखिए सीसीटीवी फुटेज जो सामने आया उसमें आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से जो ब्लास्ट है, कितना जबरदस्त ये ब्लास्ट था और उसने परखच्चे उड़ा दिए स्कूटी के। जहां पर ये ब्लास्ट हुआ था वहीं पर मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूं। पूरा एरिया कॉर्डन ऑफ किया गया। और पहले ये तस्वीर देखिए, बाईं तरफ मेरे ये बीएसएफ हेडक्वार्टर पंजाब फ्रंटियर का मेन गेट है और ये इस हेडक्वार्टर के अंदर जो तमाम फैमिलीज हैं बीएसएफ पर्सनल्स की वो रहती हैं। और यहाँ पर जो स्कूटी है ये गुरप्रीत सिंह नाम के शख्स की है, जो एक डिलीवरी बॉय था। वो यहाँ पर तकरीबन 8 बजे आता है, अपनी स्कूटी यहाँ पर पार्क करता है और यहाँ से कुछ पार्सल्स लेकर वो अंदर जाने की कोशिश करता है। लेकिन वो जैसे गेट पर पहुँचता है, यहाँ एक धमाका होता है। धमाके की तस्वीरें हम देख रहे हैं किस तरीके से सीसीटीवी फुटेज में आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा एक आग का गोला यहाँ से उठता है। बहुत ज़्यादा जो आग की लपटें हैं, जो धुआं है वो उठता हुआ दिखाई देता है। देखिए पंजाब पुलिस कह रही है कि आग लगने की ये सूचना हमारे पास आई थी। अगर सिर्फ आग लगी होती तो स्कूटी इस तरह जलकर राख ना हुई होती और कई मीटर तक उसके जो पार्ट्स हैं वो ना बिखरे होते। आप देखिए अभी भी जो स्कूटी के टुकड़े हैं वो काफ़ी दूर तक यहाँ फैले हुए हैं। ब्लास्ट इतना तेज था कि ऊपर जो एक ट्रैफिक सिग्नल है इस जहाँ पर स्कूटी पार्क की गई थी वो पूरी तरीके से जल गया है। उसके जो शीशे हैं वो चकनाचूर हो गए हैं। एक पेड़ था इसके ऊपर वो भी यहाँ पर जल चुका है। तो काफ़ी तेज ये धमाका था। गनीमत ये रही है कि किसी की जान नहीं गई है। बहरहाल खालिस्तान लिबरेशन आर्मी ने इस हमले की जिम्मेदारी ली है। उन्होंने पंजाब पुलिस को धमकी भी दी है। पंजाब पुलिस के डीआईजी संदीप गोयल को और उनके परिवार को भी निशाना बनाने की बात कही है। जी
Okay, all right, stay with us. So twin blasts that have rocked Punjab with explosions being reported in Amritsar as well as Jalandhar. We have more details that have now come in as well, with the Khalistani outfit also claiming responsibility for it. Bhavtosh Singh also joins us on the broadcast with the details. Bhavtosh, what more do we know about the Khalistani outfit and the threat that they have issued while claiming responsibility?
Pratibha, adding to what Manoj has said, there have been series of attacks in Punjab, and these attacks have been carried out at behest of ISI by various radical groups. Some of them have been banned in India. Khalistan Liberation Army is also a proscribed terror outfit. Remember, these attacks have been carried out repeatedly at police stations, and these police stations have been attacked since November 2024. At least 20 police stations have been attacked. Grenades have been thrown at them, IED blasts have taken place, and recently there was also uncovering of an attempt to carry out attack on a dedicated integrated freight corridor, in which the person who was trying to put the explosives, he blew himself. He was connected with Waris de Punjab. Importantly, various terror groups, whether it's Babar Khalsa International, their members who are in fact staying abroad, fugitives who are staying abroad, whether they are staying in Portugal, Germany or Italy, they're taking instructions from ISI and carrying out these attacks. Now, footage of both these attacks clearly show that grenades are being thrown or some kind of IEDs are being thrown. These are not detonator-based explosives, but these are grenades that have been thrown at least in past 2 years. If we just look at the explosives and IEDs that have been seized, At least 100 grenades have been seized, weapons from Chinese-made pistols to RPG. They have all been seized. Clearly, Punjab is going through a very rough patch, and as the opposition have also said, it's not only a law and order situation in Punjab, but also something that is very worrisome, and Center is also keeping a close tab on all this.
Okay, all right, Bhavtosh and Manoj, thank you for joining us with those details. We have some more breaking updates now coming in. Shiromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal has hit out at the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann over the twin blasts in the state. He has put a post on social media saying that in the last 10 days there have been 3 blasts reported, 2 in a single day, which show continued intelligence failures and collapse of law and order. And saying that this is a matter of grave concern. He has said that Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who is also the State Home Minister, is busy in mimicry and cheap politics. He has forfeited the right to remain in office. Punjab earned peace after decades of struggle, but now over 24 blasts have taken place under the Aam Aadmi Party regime that are pushing the state back into the dark days. Vikram Majithia is joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. Very, very concerning situation there because we've seen now 2 blasts that have taken place yesterday and both outside security establishments.
Hello.
Majithia ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी आ रही है जी.
So there have been 2 different blasts that have been reported, 2 locations outside security establishments in Punjab.
Yes.
So not just the BJP, you have also, people from your party have also attacked the Aam Aadmi Party government. Do you believe it is intel failure that has led to 2 blasts, multiple blasts over the last 10 days?
So first of all, I condemn these incidents that have happened in Punjab. But one has to realize why these problems or these blasts are happening again and again. Because we have a chief minister in the name of Bhagwant Mann who is drunk most of the time. A border state which needs constant monitoring. We are on the Indo-Pak border. We share a 554 kilometers border with Pakistan. And we have a long history of Pakistan fomenting trouble in Punjab. And the fact of the matter is that our problem starts from the fact that we've got a temporary DGP who's not even a permanent DGP. So his priority is not law and order. His priority is looking after Mr. Kejriwal in Delhi. That is why Punjab suffers, the people of Punjab are suffering. And the chief minister is very recently is drunk in most of the meetings or coming to Vidhan Sabha. A person who doesn't take law and order review meetings on a regular basis, that's why you see what is happening in Punjab. Last night there were 2 blasts, one in Jalandhar, and you must realize the sensitivity of the place where the blast took place. It is called a BSF Chowk. Now this BSF roundabout is in the heart of Jalandhar. On one side sits the BSF headquarters, the cantonment. On the other side is the army cantonment. On the third side is the Punjab Police Armored Battalion that sits there. How could somebody sneak into a place which is fortified on all 4 sides? Because our police was sleeping. And the sad part is the commissioner on police, without an inquiry, goes on to record to say that, this is just a scooty battery blast. And they have done it in the past also. There have been 12 to 15 grenade attacks on police stations. And the first reaction of the Punjab police is to cover up by showing all is well. And what is the cover up they'll do? They say, no, a tire blast happened. A cylinder, LPG cylinder went off. But when detailed inquiries happen, the fact is otherwise. And then they look stupid.
So attempts to play down the seriousness of the issue by the government, not realizing that this is a serious security threat. And we've seen that happen multiple times, which is why the Shiromani Akali Dal is saying that the chief minister, the government does not or should not be in power. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast. We'll have to leave it at that as we slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back.